So for this problem, the sum of the first 10 terms in the arithmetic series is 530. Then what is the first term if the last term is 80? So to solve for this problem, since given the sum of the arithmetic series, so we're going to use this formula to find the first term. Then for this problem, what is the common difference? So to find the common difference, so using this formula for the common difference, so to find the first term using this formula, this is the sum of the numbers. Since the sum of the numbers is 530, so this is equal to 530, then n is the number of terms. Since 10 terms, therefore n is equal to 10. Then a sub 1, so a sub 1 is the first term, and this one is the unknown. A sub n is the last term, and the last term is 80. So a sub n is equal to 80. Then to find now the first term, so using this formula, so we have the sum of the numbers. That's 530, then equals n, the number of terms, that's 10, then divide by 2, times the first term, so this one is the unknown, plus the last term, so the last term is 80. Then to simplify, so this one is 530, then equals 10 divided by 2, this one is 5. Then a sub 1 plus 80. Then we have now 530, then equals, distribute. So this is 5 times the first term. Then for this 5 times 80, so this one is 400. Then we need to transpose this positive 400 to the other side. So this becomes 530 minus 400, then equals 5 times the first term. And this 530 minus 400, this is equal to 130. Then equals 5 times the first term. Then to solve for the first term, divide both sides by 5. So divide by 5. So therefore, the first term equals, so this 130 divided by 5. So this is equal to 26. So therefore, the first term is 26. Then to solve now for the common difference, using this formula, so we have a sub n, that's the last term, and the last term is 80, then equals a sub 1, that's the first term, and the first term, that's 26, then plus n is the number of terms, so there are 10 terms, then minus 1 times the common difference, so this one is the unknown. Then we need to transpose this 26 to the other side, so this becomes 80 minus 26, then equals, this 10 minus 1, this is 9, then times the common difference. Then for this 80 minus 26, this one is 54, equals 9 times the common difference. Then to find now the common difference, so divide both sides by 9 to solve for the common difference. So we have 54 divided by 9, so therefore the common difference is positive 6.